container for the cuvettes. The cuvettes are disposed of here after the measurement cycle. The cuvette waste drawer rides in and out on a steel guide rail. Below the plexiglass cover there are two drawers. The one on the right is the product drawer and is used for reagents, quality control, and calcium chloride. The one on the left is used for samples and Owen-Cohen buffer. Both drawers contain a sample and a reagent display board, and a sample and product detection board. They are easily removed by putting two fingers under the display board at the front of the unit and lifting up. Most common problem for one spot not to be read is pieces of label blocking the light pass of the detectors. Cleaning will resolve those issues. There are two drawer motors in the back which move the drawers in and out. In the back of the reagent drawer, you can see the wash wells for the three needles. They should never overflow. They should be able to hold solution. Quality control issue and the number one failure for many years with the STA Compact is wash wells overflowing due to the failure of the EV valve or BVs in a wash well. The right side of the unit is divided into compartments. For the most part, each compartment supports different systems within the unit. The left section supports the fluidic system for the three needles. From the top down, you have a pipetter assembly, which picks up the reagents and samples for needles number 1, 2, and 3. A little to the right is the block of three EV valves, which control which needle is being used. Below that, you've got a Valcor pump, which pushes cleaning agent through the needles for washing. And note, there should never be any air bubbles in the tubing between those assemblies. Bottom of this section is the cooling reservoir bottle, which is used for cooling and heating of the product drawer and the measurement block. This can be filled almost to the top with glycol or water. Water was used for many years and was switched to glycol to prevent unit from freezing during shipments. At the top center section you have the optical module, which supplies the light for the chromogenic tests. To the right of that, the EV valves for arm number 2, which moves the cuvettes from the shuttle to the wells. Below that, at the bottom center, you have the cleaning solution bottle and the waste bottle. Now to the far right. At the bottom, far right, you have the clean reservoir bottle, which gets its cleaning solution from the large cleaning reservoir, which we mentioned earlier. Right beside the cleaning reservoir bottle is the waste reservoir bottle, which is the far back of the instrument. The cleaning solution bottle should always have solution in it. The waste bottle will have different degrees of waste. Now onto the back of the unit. You have filters. On the top right, you have the connectors for the VGA monitor, the printer, the LIS. Onto the left side. Here you're going to see the fuses on the bottom front, and on the left side you're going to see the power on switch and the two main fuses. This is also where the serial number to the instrument is located. That concludes introduction to the operator training session.